तो विंटर खत्म हो रहा है और अब शुरू होने वाली है समर सीजन और आपके हेयर को इस सीजनल चेंज के लिए रेडी करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। क्योंकि विंटर की ड्राई कोल्ड एयर के बाद जब ह्यूमिडिटी और हीट बढ़ती है तो स्कैल्प और हेयर दोनों का बिहेवियर कम्प्लीटली चेंज हो जाता है। Hi, I'm Dr. Kunjan Patel from Clear Skin and Hair MD Clinic, and in today's video, I'll explain how to prepare your scalp and hair for the seasonal transition so that you don't face issues like hair fall, dandruff, or frizziness when the summer starts. Now, how does seasonal change affect your hair? जब वेदर कोल्ड से वार्म होता है, ह्यूमिडिटी लेवल बढ़ जाता है, उसके साथ साथ आपकी स्कैल्प के ऑयल ग्लैंड्स भी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो जाते हैं। व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस? स्कैल्प ऑयली होने लगता है, द हेयर विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग फ्लैट, डैंड्रफ या इचिंग बढ़ सकती है और एक्सेसिव स्वेटिंग से ओडर भी डेवलप हो सकता है। दूसरी तरफ अगर आपने विंटर में हेवी ऑयल्स और थिक कंडीशनर्स यूज किए थे तो अब वो समर में हेयर को वे डाउन करेंगे और बिल्डअप क्रिएट करेंगे। So before summer starts, we need to reset your scalp health. So I'll tell you a little bit about the step-by-step hair routine that you should basically follow. What you should start doing right now to get summer ready hair. First thing, deeply cleanse your scalp. Switch to a mild sulfate-free shampoo that removes product buildup without drying. Once a week, use a clarifying or an exfoliating shampoo with salicylic acid or a zinc parathion to clear oil and dandruff tricks. Step 2 would be to balance the scalp oil. If you have an oily scalp, avoid heavy hair oils. Instead, use lightweight scalp serums containing niacinamide or peptides to control the sebum production. If you have dry scalp, use a few drops of coconut or argan oil before shampoo. Leave it for 30 minutes to an hour and wash it off gently then. Step 3 would be to repair the winter damage. Now, winter dryness often leaves hair cuticles rough and brittle. So do a protein or a keratin-rich hair mask once a week to rebuild strength and shine. Look for ingredients like hydrolyzed keratin, argan oil, or amino acids. Next, hydration and protection. Increase your hydration levels both internally and externally, which means drinking enough water and using leave-in conditioners or serums to protect your hair from the extreme summer heat. Next, you can also do a little bit of trimming. Who doesn't like a really nice fresh cut? This will prevent breakage and keep your hair manageable. So, there are some common mistakes that patients make during this transition. Again, one is, like I mentioned before, continuing heavy winter oils in summer. This will lead to an oily scalp, dandruff, and clogged pores, or clogged follicles actually, which is similar to pores which are on your skin. Overwashing your hair every day will strip the natural oils and worsen your frizz. Skipping a conditioner due to heat again will make your hair porous and prone to breakage. Ignoring your scalp health is a no-no. Healthy hair always begins with a healthy scalp, so treat the dandruff or oil imbalance early and not after has worsened over time. What you can do in clinic for all these transition periods. So at Hair MD Clinic, we have specialized seasonal transition care plans that help patients manage hair health better between winter and summer. Depending on your scalp condition, we may recommend a scalp hydration therapy which will replenish the lost moisture and repair the scalp barrier. An anti-dandruff medicated peel which will gently exfoliate the flakes and controls the yeast overgrowth. Now, of course, we have the PRP and GFC treatments to boost hair growth and strengthen your follicles. Along with this, there are nourishing IV drip therapies to support hair growth internally with vitamins, zinc, and antioxidants. These treatments keep your hair strong, shiny, and resilient throughout the climate change. So, जैसे हम wardrobe change करते हैं सीजन के हिसाब से, वैसे ही हेयर केयर रूटीन भी सीजन के हिसाब से चेंज करना चाहिए. Prep your scalp early, hydrate your hair, and choose products wisely so that your hair stays healthy, strong, and youthful all summer long. I'm Dr. Kunjan from Clear Skin and Hair MD Clinic, helping you achieve healthy skin and hair every season of the year.